so Dale, thank you for the topic suggestion. We are going to talk about our gap entries, and there are two. Okay, we'll talk about we have a swing entry for the gap, and then we also have a day trading one. Let's do the swing one because that's a quicker, easier conversation. Okay, so the swing, so this you'll hear it called gap fill. Charlie and Patrick do those in the Momo room, and we play it the same way with options. So oftentimes, what you're looking for is you're looking for some sort of gap. Oftentimes that'll happen after earnings, right? Because that's when you get fundamental changes. So let's think about something that's gapped pretty good. Grubhub comes to mind. Okay, so we're looking at the daily chart here, which is the one on the left. Let's make this a little bit bigger so everybody can see it. Okay, so an obvious gap here where they were before earnings. Those earnings came out and were horrible, and we have this gap, obviously from here to here. What you're looking for in this type of situation, you're looking for the same sort of setup, that you have, the ATR above, you have the, which is here now, you have the channel moving down, you have this moving down. What you're looking for is the gap is defined by low of this bar to the high of this bar.